when it is with regard to the creation of states, or when it is with regard to the reorganization of the Indian state, we have already decided that we are going to use the principle of language. ठीक है? और यहां पे many provincial congress committees were created by linguistic zones which did not follow the administration. चलो ये सब कुछ नहीं है. Things changed after independence and partition. Our leaders felt that carving out states on the basis of language might lead to disruption and disintegration. अब देखो, हर कोई प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंग्वेज को, हर कोई, एवरीवन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंग्वेज को, दे वर नॉट एग्रीइंग विद द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंग्वेज. देयर वर वॉइसेस अगेंस्ट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंग्वेज. ठीक है? देयर वर वॉइसेस व्हिच वर अगेंस्ट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लैंग्वेज, and these voices which were against the principle of language as the basis of reorganization of states, they said that if states are divided, if states are reorganized on the basis of language, it could lead to disruption and disintegration. इसके अलावा they also said that this would draw attention away from the social economic challenges that our country was facing. मतलब ये जो लोग अगेंस्ट थे, एक रीजन उन्होंने ये दिया कि it could lead to disruption and disintegration. And the second reason they gave, that the country's attention towards socio-economic challenges would be moved away. That means for us at that time, the socio-economic challenge was more important to be addressed. But if we are trying to create states on the basis of language, then our attention, it will move away from the socio-economic challenges and we will be occupied with the linguistic basis of reorganization. समझ में आ गया? इसके अलावा the central leadership decided to postpone matters, and the need for postpone was felt because the fate of the princely state had not yet been decided. Also, the memory of partition was fresh. मतलब जो इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट था, उस इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट ने अब रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लिंग्विस्टिक ग्राउंड्स को क्या किया? ठंडे बस्ते पे डाल दिया. क्यों ठंडे बस्ते पे डाल दिया? बिकॉज एक तरफ कांग्रेस के अंदर ही देयर वाज ऑपोजिंग वॉइसेस व्हिच केम आउट, एंड सेकेंड थिंग वाज दैट there were princely states which were still not integrated with India. So it was not final whether they will be integrated or not. And the third thing was that जो partition का जो pain था, it was very much fresh in the minds of the political leaders. समझ में आया? So this entire paragraph is with regard to the problems in the implementation of the principle of linguistic basis for reorganization of states. ठीक है? तो यहां पे बोला यह जाता है कि let me write here. ये I don't have the space there, so I'll be writing here. और इसमें ये है कि what were the reasons for the, एक मिनट, for the postponement of drawing states on linguistic lines. I have created a question here. The question is, what were the reasons for the postponement of drawing states on linguistic line? Postponement of drawing states, थोड़ा सा language खराब लग रहा है. Postponement of reorganization of Indian states on linguistic lines. ठीक है? So we have to give the reasons, and we can say here that answer is initially it was decided to adopt the principle of it was decided to adopt the principle of linguistic principle as the basis for the reorganization of Indian state, but after independence, बोला जाता है after independence, things changed. After independence, things changed, and things changed and the reorganization of Indian states on the basis of linguistic principle was postponed. इसमें the reasons are as follows. Number one, it might lead to disintegration. ठीक है, it might lead to disintegration and disruption. ठीक है, पहला है it might lead to disintegration and disruption. Number two, Number two is it was felt that this would move away government's attention from government's attention from social and economic challenges which our country was facing. Number three, still there were princely states. Still there were princely states who had not decided whether they were merging with India or not. And finally, last one, the painful memory of the partition was still fresh. Painful memory of the partition was still fresh. समझ में आ गया कि पहले तो मान लिया जाता है कि लैंग्वेज के बेसिस पे होगा, but all of a sudden the government postponed it. Now why the government postponed it? These were the reasons. ठीक है, got it? गवर्नमेंट ने पोस्टपोन क्यों किया, ये रीजंस है. क्लियर है सबको? द सोशल चैलेंज, इकोनॉमिक चैलेंज वाज दैट our agriculture was backward and stagnant. There was low productivity. We had to import food grains. हम लोग बिल्कुल कोई भी चीज नहीं ग्रो करते थे. Our agricultural system backward क्यों था? Because of the जमींदारी system. And our farmers, they had small plots of land and all. तो ये बहुत सारा problems था हमारे agriculture में. And more than 80% of the population, they were directly or indirectly dependent on agriculture. What about the industrial sector? India did not have any industry apart from few, जैसे एक टिस्को था. But there were small mills in India. So the Britishers did nothing with regard to the industrial development in India. कोई भी कैपिटल गुड इंडस्ट्री भी नहीं था इंडिया में. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ट्रेड, वी वर वेरी बैकवर्ड इन दैट. एवरीथिंग वाज हैंडल्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. इंडिया का हैंडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री रूइन हो चुका था. ऑल दोज हु वर एम्प्लॉयड इन द हैंडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री, दे ऑल वर एम्प्लॉयड, अनएम्प्लॉयड थे. दे ऑल वर इन पॉवर्टी. सो एवरीवेयर देयर वाज माइजरी व्हेन इट कम्स टू इकोनॉमी. सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स में क्या था कि इंडिया वॉज फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पॉवर्टी, कास्ट सिस्टम. ठीक है, ये सारा प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे थे. अनटचेबिलिटी का प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे थे. क्लास, रिलीजियस, मतलब यू कैन से कम्युनल डिसहार्मनी हो रहा था देश में. तो सोसाइटी, सोशल का मतलब सोसाइटी, इन सोसाइटी ऑल्सो देर वॉज, मतलब देर वॉज नो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, सैनिटेशन का प्रॉब्लम था, देर वॉज डिजीज एवरीवेयर, एपिडेमिक्स थे. सो वी वर नॉट गुड एट ऑल इन दैट सेंस. ठीक है. सो एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच व्हाट हैपेंड कि बोला यह गया कि हमारी आजादी हुई है, सो वी हैड टू कंसंट्रेट टुवर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. बट हमारा किसके तरफ था? हमारा जोर उसके तरफ था कि अरे यार कैसे स्टेट को, कैसे कंट्री को स्टेट्स में डिवाइड करें. ठीक है. दैट वाज नॉट अ बिग इश्यू. इट कुड हैव बीन डन some other time. The big issue was that every person should get a food to eat. The big issue was every person should have a work to do. The big issue was everybody should have proper health facility. The big issue was everybody should have clean drinking water. But यहां पे आप देखोगे एक बहुत अच्छा चीज कि पॉलिटिकल चैलेंज नहीं था. And why there was no political challenge? Because in this very book we will study that there was the dominance of Congress in the national movement. कि कांग्रेस का dominance था national movement में, और it was these leaders who had formed the interim government. तो जिसके कारण कोई political challenge नहीं था, but yes, economic और social challenge तो 100% था. और इस economic challenge में infrastructural challenge भी आ जाता है.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.